How you doing, YouTube? Police and Pips here, and today I'm going to show you how I lost money and the reasons why I did. And I'm going to go into it real quick. This is going to be a short video, just a recap of today's action. All right. I was trading the Nasdaq on my funded account, so here you're not going to see any of the profits and loss, but I'm going to show you the chart on here because it's better set up. Okay. You can see my levels were drawn up. Pre-market, I had a bias going in of selling down to that overnight low since we were sitting at these overnight highs. And, you know, I don't trade that first 5-minute candle. So I waited till we got a little bit further into the day. Okay. So we were just flat all night. I'm expecting that correction of inventory. And so we're moving forward. We do get that sell off for the first few minutes. However, at the same time this was going on, we're going to show you the S&P 500. We had this big rally up occurring. We broke through all-time highs and all of that. So I ended up changing my bias based on the other indexes and how they tend to like to trail each other, okay? And so we got this run up. We're breaking the all-time highs. We're still making all new highs. I have a 3-strike rule for myself. So, you know, when I got to here, I was actually planning on taking that. If you watch my live stream, I said I should have taken it. I missed the entry, and I probably would have been fine getting taken out around these highs for, a few $100. But I did not take that trade. And right around here at, say, 9 o'clock, I entered on the breakout above this overnight high because at the same time period, right, at 9 o'clock, we go back to the S&P again. Right here at 9 o'clock, we're still breaking above and creating those new all-time highs. And these candles aren't like small, weak candles, right? They're powerful through. We still have momentum on that squeeze index. And so I thought to myself, hey, all right, I'm going to enter. We're going to break above here, and we're going to continue on, possibly following. And lo and behold, I was wrong, and I followed it down. I got stopped out around here. Then I thought, hey, we're going to reject this. Got a rejection style candle. Tried to enter here. Got stopped out again. And then there was 2 trades in here that I got stopped out kind of quick. And once I do 3 strikes, I'm out. Baseball reference, but it still just kind of keeps me settled. If I would have stuck to my game plan from the beginning of the day, right, that once we hit off on these all-time highs, I should have been taking that short, right? I should have been not tricked by the other equities and kept my plan. But you got to learn from some mistakes, and this is where we made a mistake, right? Instead of entering long here, instead of entering short here, we entered long and got stopped out because we didn't follow that plan. If we did follow that plan, you saw that all day we sold off right through that overnight low, clearing that inventory. I probably would have still been in because these are only 5-minute candles, and there was no pullback on that, right? These just kind of melted off. Even if I would have waited to get in down around these lows after that first test of the bottom and then pull back, you could wait till this breaks, pulls back, and enter in on that short and pull that all the way down to that overnight low and even into that previous day low. You probably would have ended up getting stopped on this candle here, right around that previous day low. That's a great move. I just wanted to kind of go over how I played today. I mean, look at it. It sold off pretty hard over that morning, all the way down to those lows there. So, and then it just consolidated the rest of the day. I ended up going to a doctor's appointment. I didn't try to rebound. I didn't revenge trade. I was happy with myself as far as that's concerned. I followed my 3-strike rule. It didn't hit my max drawdown, which is good. And I'm in it to trade tomorrow. So tomorrow when I do go live, I'm going to try my best to be here at 8:20 a.m. We're going to go try and clear out today's loss and make a good trade tomorrow. Follow our plan, stick to it, and don't get faked out by some of these moves. All right. So check in tomorrow, 8:20 Central, 9:20 Eastern, and we will get it going. All right. Until then, peace out.